Don't miss this amazing 5-bed/3.5 bath home sitting on a 5+ acres. Awesome rocking chair front porch. Real hardwood floors and crown molding throughout the main level and carpet in the bedrooms upstairs. Oversized master on main with tray ceiling and private exit to the large deck. Master bath has DBL vanity, tile floor, jet tub and large tiled walk-in shower. Large walk-in closet. Kitchen has view of family room. Second room on main could be used as office bedroom nursery sitting area. Small sitting area at top of stairs with large window overlooking your private lot. 4 large bedrooms upstairs, one has its own full bath. Basement is unfinished but has been plumbed, framed and ready to be completed. Large workshop area in basement with roll-up boat door. Electrical has been upgraded to 2 main boxes. Security cameras and monitor will stay. And don't forget that huge workshop barn with electricity for keeping your tractor, ATVs etc. Home has 500 feet well that has been checked for purity.